back, baby. These headlights are so nice. Not sure how well the camera picks it up. By far one of the best upgrades I could have done. Just hello there. Welcome back. It is set free. I'm gonna go ahead and go for a little ride. Make sure if you like this, man, subscribe, support the channel, and let's see where it goes. Yeah. So exciting. I haven't ridden in a while. We had some rain and just busy, man. But we are gonna get out and rip her. I am gonna go by my buddy's house, see what he's got going on. It's good to be back out on the bike. I'm really excited, you guys. I got a ride coming up in May, and we're gonna put a few hundred miles on it. I'm gonna ride oh hey, it's the Dark Knight. We are going to ride Highway 80 up here in Northern California, over to Nevada, and then we're gonna ride the 395, which is just beautiful, and we're gonna do some South Lake Tahoe, so pretty excited about that. You guys have to tune in. That one's gonna be a little bit longer. It might be a 2 or 3 part video, but be a good time. Appreciate the love and support that I've gotten so far from you guys. A couple of you are either newer to riding or looking to get into riding. And it's definitely worth it, man. I'm learning as I go. This is my second street motorcycle. I've had a few dirt bikes when I was younger, nothing crazy. But yeah, this is like the second bike on the street. First Harley. I've had it a couple of years, so I'm just learning, man. I definitely don't know everything there is to know about them, but I'm willing to learn, learning to grow, and I know how to ride one, so that's a start. Yeah, we'll start there. Figure out the rest as we go. back, baby. so nice. Not sure how well the camera picks it up. By far one of the best upgrades I could have done just for safety. I ride a lot at night or early morning in the dark.